The most important thing to me now is being in touch with myself and how I am actually really feeling, and listening to my gut, trusting my gut. That's what's important to me.
Take care of yourself, you know? Treat yourself with love and kindness, and don't put pressure on yourself to feel better tomorrow.
Hey guys, Molweni. Welcome back to a new vlog. Dijikiwe Bambi.
Yo. Kumina lwasisi ebevambi kangaka. Yo ebhilo nalihlazo.
This whole past December, I've just been prioritizing work, just pouring into so many different cups, and along the way, I definitely neglected my cup. So I'm starting this vlog to pour into my cup. This is my maintenance day. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I just woke up now. I'm gonna take a bath. Because we're gonna do a little bit of DIY. Is it called DIY? DIY. Sana andiyazi. But anyways, I'm gonna install my own hair. So I don't have it got to be iyaphela. So I want to quickly go to Clicks. Clicks will 8 up. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna bath quickly. Let's quickly go to Clicks. Let's get hair. Let's get it got to be glue so that I can put on this wig. And then go on in the appointment to do my nails at Boa and Greenpoint. You know, when you've been working and you feel like you don't have the time just to pour into yourself, that's how I've been feeling, and I'm trying to get myself out of that. This weekend I'm prioritizing myself. I want to journal, I want to reflect, I want to think about this year, I want to create my vision board, I want to get my appearance together, because why did we start 2025 looking like this? Have some coffee because I deserve it. I got 3 things from Clicks and I paid 2 million for 3 items. I was very specific with what I wanted to get from Clicks. I only got it got to be because I need to lay my wig. Month end I'm buying the big one. I buy these all the time and they run out so quickly. But then again, I install Nulazam like once in a lifetime. That's why I don't really bother buying the big one. And then I got hair removal. This is a hyaluronic acid and collagen face mask. Reduces wrinkles after 1 application. That's a very bold claim, Gesan. Skin Republic's face mask. So I got this as well because duh, maintenance. Installing hair is not my strongest point, but because this week this is a HD lace, so it's not bad when I install it myself. But I think I should first glue this thing on and then style my hair after, because now I'm struggling This week is sliding and it's doing the most. So I think I'm gonna put on some glue, and then put on my band, and then go style it. That makes more sense. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it like that.
I respond for the money and for fame. Feathers give me when I don't care what it takes. I've been through this phase. Minister and inspired. Every day, every time. Every day, every time. Every day, every time. Every day, every time. Know that I will never money. And every day and every time. I'm funny money. And I don't sleep, I check the bag. Nothing for nobody. For no feeling, feel like fire. For no sheep of us.
We are done installing my hair. What do you guys think? Andinayo sana imali for an install. So I tried to do 1 2 1 2. This is the best I can do. This is as good as it's gonna get. Comment down below what do you think of this install. It's not bad, wait, it's not bad at all. Now let's get these nails done, okay? To say early, it's like 10:30 ngoku. My appointment is only at 1. Wow, I'm so good on time today. I'm excited. I'm gonna use this time to clean up, get something to eat, and then I will head out to my nail appointment. I'll probably catch you guys in my Uber. Boa has already called me to confirm my appointment, so I'm gonna get going now. These shades that I'm wearing, they're from SHEIN. This is one of the failed items that I got. Ingathi there's a plastic sana. Ingathi zinwebekile. Also the gold part. It's too gold that it looks cheap. The next minute I was near my shades because wow. I'm about to head out now. I'm gonna request my Uber. I'm gonna get going and I'll catch you guys later when I'm doing my nails, or when I'm showing you guys my nails when I come back. I'm going to Boa and Greenpoint. Yeah, I don't want to be late. They have a 15 minutes grace period, but generally I'm a person that does not like being late. So let's get going. I decided to change my nail tech this year because for years I've been going to this nail tech. The nails, they eat. The nails, they know what they're doing. When it comes to the service, I really compromise on the service. The service is horrible. They don't make appointments. It's first come, first serve. So whenever I would go there, I would sacrifice a Saturday. Like I would wake up so early. I'd wake up around 6 so that I get to the salon at like 7, 7:30 to be at least top 3 so that I can be out of the salon by like before 12. And the nail techs will only get there at 9. So imagine from like 2 or 3 hours, you're just sitting there waiting. And I thought to myself, why am I putting myself through this day in and day out? Like, honestly, I'm paying for the service. Why am I suffering, you know? So I decided this time around, let me try Boa Nails. They recently opened a branch in Greenpoint. It's so cute. So I want to try it out. The service is amazing. They already called me now to confirm my appointment and to ask if I'm coming. So I'll start making my way there. 2025. I'm not struggling, I'm not suffering, you know. I don't have to put up with things that I don't have to put up with. So changing my nail tech is the first step. I'll give you guys the tea tomorrow on how everything went, or today later on. I'm scared. I hope my nails are gonna turn out fine. I wanna do a classic French tip. That is my go-to. I love that look. It's clean, it's nice, it's clean, it's beautiful, it's nice, you know. That's my vibe. It gives wifey. So yeah, let me get going, guys, and I'll catch you guys later.
I just wanna be someone. I just wanna live in my dream, don't wanna please anyone. I know that I'm the chosen one. Take care of my people, make sure that I have everyone. I just a bank for my family.
So the first item that I got from SHEIN is this top. Got it in an extra large, don't know why, but it's big. And said, Danny, can I get away with wearing this, you guys? You fashionable or it's big? No, it's big. I don't know what I was thinking getting this in an extra large, but this is the first item. This is the first fail that I got from SHEIN. Yeah, I needed a top. I need tops. None of my clothes fit, so I just needed something cute that I'm gonna put on with a jean and some slides, and this was it. And yeah, comment down below if I can finesse or I must go take it to the tailor. And yes, Sana, no, it's big. And this is outfit number 2. The pants are fine, but the top, ingolo sana. These are those cute 2-piece sets. It has like a linen vibe to it. Polyester, this is the material. It's big. Ingolo sana. Can I finesse this one? No, and this is outfit number 3. It's a white shirt. I love the material. I actually quite like the fit of this, and it has pockets here. It has pockets here. I quite like it. Okay, this I can wear. Can never go wrong with the white button shirt. So cute. It fits quite nice. It's a bit big, but it's giving oversized white shirt. Next up, we have this dress. I don't know how I feel about this one. I thought it was gonna be, this is like a soft jean material. I don't know what I expected, but I'm not sure how I feel about it. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be a bit shorter. I don't know. I don't know if I like it or not. Please comment down below. This was one of the most expensive items from this haul. And yes, man, I don't know how I feel about it. Please comment, would you wear this? But I don't know how I feel about it. I don't know if I'm crazy about it or not, but I need to buy like a bandeau top just so that my boobs behave. Also got this hat. Okay, obviously not with this dress, but maybe when I'm running errands and yes, I don't know. This is the only dress that I like from this haul. Super cute, it's good quality. This is also a bit big, but I jambisi. I think I can get away with wearing this out. I can swing guy, or like, she's cute. I love the detailing here. But obviously, but it has a nice pickable moment here. And then you tie it at the back. I love this part, this area. This is the only thing that I like from this haul. I am a bit annoyed that it fits big. I could have gotten away with getting all of these items in a large. Don't know why I got XL. But yeah guys, this is my failed SHEIN haul. So guys, this is my failed SHEIN haul. Also, this is the most customs I have ever paid at SHEIN. I paid like 500 and something rands for customs. My whole entire order was like, I think 1.4. So I don't know, but I really enjoy this dress. It's such an amazing quality, I can tell. I do want to order more dresses from them, but I'm going to sure because of customs and stuff. Like, I don't know, is it worth it? I don't know, I don't think so. But yeah guys, that is my SHEIN haul. I just wanted to quickly show you guys what I got. The reason why I'm getting clothes is because none of my wardrobe fits, and with the new year I've started my weight loss journey, and right now it's solely in the kitchen. I'm eating way cleaner, so I'm trying to buy a few stuff so that when I do go out I have stuff to wear. So yeah, that is my mini SHEIN haul. Right now I'm gonna change into my pajamas, put these clothes away, and I probably will catch up with you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna start editing this vlog. I'm gonna catch up with you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I wanna curl this hair, I wanna do my makeup, I wanna do my face mask. Like, I wanna have a proper self-care day tomorrow, and it's also Sunday. So hopefully I'm also gonna post this vlog tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.